How to access TikTok Shop. First things first, open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar of your browser, type in shop.tiktok.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to TikTok's shop page. On the TikTok shop page, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to choose your business model. This could be seller, creator, partner, and affiliate. Select the option that best fits your situation. Take some time to look at the features available for sellers on TikTok Shop. These include purchase and conversion, campaigns and promotion, direct creator collaboration, and performance analysis. Click on the Learn More button provided. Finally, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. TikTok will guide you through each step, making it easy to get your shop up and running. Thanks for watching this tutorial on accessing TikTok Shop. I hope these steps were helpful and made the process clear for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy selling on TikTok Shop.